How to change a spending limit for Instagram ads. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change a spending limit for Instagram ads. So let's get started. First you have to open Instagram application with your account. Alright, after you open Instagram, you will get this type of interface. From your at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Alright, from your profile section, at the top right corner, tap on three lines. From the settings and activity, you'll have to scroll down and go the options Creator Tools and Controls. From the Creator Tools and Controls section, tap on the option Add Payments. Alright, from here tap on the option Billing and Payments Method. Alright, from the payment section, you can manually find the options like account spending limit, so simply tap on that option. After you tap on that option, you can manually find your account spending limit, and to change it you'll have to just tap on the option Edit just at the top right. After you tap on that edit option, you can easily change your account spending limit, and from here you'll be able to change your spending limit for Instagram ads. And after you change it, tap on the option Save just at the bottom. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.